channel. It's your girl Natalie. So today, as you can see in the title, I'll be doing my 5 go-to hairstyle on my natural hair. So to do this hairstyle, I'm going to need my Eco Styler gel, and this is a black one. I find that when I use the white one, it leaves a lot of residue in my hair, so I decided to start using the black one. I'll be using my Gorilla SNOT for my edges. I'll be using my picker, you know, to pick the twist out. I'll be using my brush, and I'll be using my bobby pins. Also, I'll be using elastic bands, and I'll be using this scrunchie thingy that I made. So don't forget to like, share, and comment on my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload a video. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So I'm just gonna leave my hair like this, but I'm going to do the edges. I'm going to pick it first, you know, just to give it a little volume. And then I'm going to do my edges so that it can be sleek. I'm going to use my Gorilla SNOT. Just a small amount. On my edges. And I'm going to use my brush and just do a swoop. Okay, so my next style is I'm going to do a low puff. So to do the low puff, I'm going to actually need a string. This is actually a shoes lace, by the way, that I use whenever I'm catching up my hair. So I'm going to use some of my Eco Styler gel and just, you know, put in my hair. Going to put it on the back as well. Then I'm going to brush it. me. Okay, so the next hairstyle is, this is one of my fave. I'm going to do a half updo and let go the back. If I don't know what the hairstyle is called, but I'm going to catch up. I'm going to do an updo here and just let the back go. So it goes like this. So for my fourth go-to hairstyle, I'm going to do an updo. So to brush up my hair again, I'll shut them back. Use my shoelace again. Voila. The fifth and final style that I'll be doing is, I'm going to let down my hair and then I'm going to, you know, do a little cornrow twist, if that's what it's called. I really don't know what these hairstyles are called, to be honest. I really don't know. So I'll be using my comb for this, and I should use a white teeth comb because I have very thick hair. So yeah. So those are my 5 go-to hairstyle on my natural hair, which concludes the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe also.